Hey guys, I'm Jake from today'siphone.com, and here's what's going on this week. Now, I know I didn't make a video last week, and I'm very sorry. I was sick, I had midterms, I went home for Columbus Day. No, there is no excuse. Apologize. I'm sorry. Okay, here are the big stories from the past 2 weeks. Well, probably the biggest news this week is that starting October 28th, Verizon is going to sell the iPad. Obviously they can't sell a 3G version because the iPad uses a SIM card and Verizon doesn't, but they will be selling the Wi-Fi only iPads paired with a Verizon MiFi hotspot to give you internet access wherever you are. The 16GB Wi-Fi only Verizon iPad plus the MiFi will be $629, 32GB is $729, and 64GB is $829. Now, this is very significant because this marks the first time that an Apple product has been available on more than one carrier in the US. Many people think that this also paves the way for the Verizon iPhone, which could be announced as early as January. Only time will tell, but this certainly seems promising. Okay, next, Cam takes a look at a study from an electronics warranty firm called SquareTrade. This study revealed some unfortunate news about the iPhone 4. According to SquareTrade, the iPhone 4's accident rate is almost double that of the 3GS at this time. 82% of accident reports are from cracked screens. This news is startling because Apple really pushed how strong this new glass was and this new aluminum, and it makes you wonder, is a bumper enough? Now if you really think about it, this does sort of make sense considering that there's double the glass to crack on the new iPhone as opposed to the old one, but it's still an alarming discovery, and I highly recommend keeping your phone in a case just to be safe. Alright, now I have some cool news on the jailbreaking front. iOS 4.1 is officially jailbroken. The software that you gotta use to jailbreak your phone is called LimeRain. Well, I guess it's LimeRa1, but you get the idea. Well, I'm not gonna go into detail about it, but if you want to check it out, Andrew posted a step-by-step on the website, which includes a way to lock your baseband so you can unlock your phone and use it on T-Mobile. Okay, moving on. Walmart is now selling the iPad. Okay, as you probably know, Apple's free case program ended on September 30th. As a result, the bumpers are now back on sale both in Apple retail stores and on the website. Every variation of the case is available for $30. Okay, I'm really sorry for what you're about to see. Why? Why would somebody make an umbilical cord iPhone charger? Okay, and finally, Netflix got an update that allows for video out. This is really cool because if someone was thinking about buying something like an Apple TV just to stream Netflix, now they have this instead and they save themselves $100. So I want to know, have any of you guys tested this out? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, that's it for this week, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, you can follow me on Twitter at TIPJake, and I'll answer your questions to the best of my abilities. For more news, views, and reviews, don't forget to check out today'siphone.com.